Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to do 4 science experiments which we can do from our home. One color, like that. And then we're gonna drop it there. Let's see what happens. What happens, CJ? What did you say?
A blue color.
Yeah? Oil and beads. First, get 3 small containers or 1 ice tray and fill with water, not too much. Next, get 3 different colors of food coloring and put 3 drops in each container. In another container, pour the baby oil. Using a dropper, squeeze the colored water in the baby oil and watch how the beads form. Tornado in a jar. Get your clear jar and fill it about 3/4 full of water. Add a teaspoon of your liquid soap into the jar, as well as a teaspoon of vinegar. Put the lid on, tighten it and shake the jar so all the ingredients are mixed up. Now the fun bit. Swirl the jar in a circular motion and you will see a small tornado form. If you would like to, you can add food coloring so the tornado has color and glitter as it can represent the debris. Raining cotton balls. Get a small clear cup and start poking it so that it makes small holes. Next, put the cotton balls in the cup. Get a jar or cup, slightly bigger than the smaller jar, and sit the small jar over the top of the big jar. Pour the colored water over the cotton balls and watch as the clouds get heavy and it starts to rain.
This is all mine now. Let me finish up. Then what I'm going to do next?
Okay.
Put it in.
Put it in slowly, slowly.
More. Yeah. Faster. Paint. It's paint. Now I'm going to put them all for me. It's rainbow.
Oh, good job.
Mother.
Static electricity lightning. This is a fun activity to do. Get a balloon, blow it up, and rub it on your head for 2 minutes. By doing this, you are creating a negative charge. It's funny to watch what happens with your hair.
Higher.
You can't do it.
Then
I'll help you. Rub.
wait. Oh.
Yeah! It's standing up! Nagtayo.
Turning. Oh, the cloud is turning rainbow.
What's happening to the clouds, Flynn?
It's raining.